Do not lose the ties with those whom Allah has created you in the presence and the company of to the best of your ability. What that means is sometimes you have a toxic family member. It's really bad. I really cannot make it happen. You can take a step back. You're allowed to actually taper off a relationship with someone who's closely related to you if it is really toxic and deserving of that. I've had people who tell me, how could you ever tell someone that you're allowed to cut off a parent? But I tell you what, in some cases where that parent is involved in abuse of the particular child, what advice do you want to give them? You're going to say, no, but that's your dad. But my dad raped me. Astaghfirullah. Now what? Now speak. Are you going to say, but don't worry, Allah's given them a status. What status? They've abused their status. They've been abusive. They haven't empowered us. All the children want is a little bit of love, affection, together with the respect. It doesn't mean because it's your child in public you can just abuse them. They also have to carry themselves to a certain degree in a way that would be acceptable to their friends and those around. Even if you don't know a single person in this crowd, respect your children in the presence of others. Just like you would like to be corrected behind closed doors. Subhanallah. May Allah Almighty grant us ease.